Almost there. You can do it!
We did it! Yes! We did it! I see something. Keep going. Even the birds want the hat. This is crazy. We're finally here. I love this beach. That hat is so pretty. It's my lucky hat. Dad. What was that?
I don't know. My hat!
The dolphin stole it!
Did that really happen?
Wait! Come back! He wants us to follow.
Let's go get your hat.
Hurry! He's so fast! He's playing a game! Even the birds want the hat. This is crazy! Why is he going there? Something feels different. It's so beautiful! I've never seen a place like this. He gave it back! But why bring us here? Did you hear that? Something's hiding! They're trapped! Oh no! He wasn't stealing my hat. He was asking us to help.
Stay calm. I'll get you out.
Be careful! Don't be scared. We're here. You'll be okay. Look, there's another rope. That's holding everything together.
Almost there. You can do it!
We did it! Yes! We did it! He's free! One more to go! Hang on, Bubble! We're not leaving you! Marine Rescue, please hurry! We found trapped dolphins! Help is on the way.
We're almost there! Get the rescue gear ready!
You're free now!
We did it! Welcome back! Welcome back! Thank you, Finn! We'll never forget this day. Goodbye, my friends! We'll miss you.
Hooray! They made it!
You saved the dolphins! We all helped together. Look at them! They're saying thank you. I'll treasure this forever. Some friends never say goodbye. Home sweet home! I already miss the dolphins. Who left this here?
We weren't expecting anything.
It opened by itself. That's impossible. Is that a map? It's moving. Where is that island?
I've never seen that symbol before.
Finn wants us to find something.
Our next adventure has already begun. It's glowing again.
I think it's alive.
How can this be happening?
I've never seen anything like it. These look like real coordinates.
Finn wants us to find this place. He's showing us where to go.
When do we leave?
Tomorrow morning. Finn, we're coming. I see something. Keep going. It's incredible.
No wonder nobody found it.
It fits. It opened.
Finn came back, and he brought everyone. Wow, look at them. It's amazing.
This is their secret.
And now, we're part of it.
I promise we will protect this place.
Its secret is safe with us. Always. Thank you, Finn. We'll come back someday.
Look at them. It's like they're celebrating.
Gentle dolphin clicks. I'll keep this forever. Goodbye, Finn. Some friendships last forever.